Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give like, share it and give comments. Term 3, Geography First Lesson, 7th Standard. Title is Exploring Continents, North America and South America. North America and South America are referred to as the New World because they discovered in the late 15th century. Particularly about North America was discovered in 1492 by Christopher Columbus. Boundaries of North America. North America is surrounded by Pacific Ocean in the west, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north and South America in the south. This is the boundaries for the North America. Then, political division of North America. It is the third largest continent next to the Asia and Africa. North America has three large countries and several smaller countries. Canada is the largest country of North America, followed by the US of, that is United States of America, and Mexico. So first place, the largest countries in the North America. So in the largest country, Canada ranks first place. Next to the Canada, United States of America and Mexico rank second and third place in the North America. This is the political divisions of North America. Physiography of North America. On the basis of physiography, North America can be classified into like Rocky Mountains. First one Rocky Mountains, second one Great Plains, third one Appalachian Highlands, and fourth one Coastal Plains. These are the four physical divisions divided into the North America. The Rocky Mountains. The western part of the continent is occupied by long ranges of young folded mountains. It is known as Rocky Mountains. Young folded mountains are in the western part of the North America. So it is called as the Rocky Mountains. The Great Plains of North America. The Great Plains of North America covers about 3/5 of the continent. That is, major part of the area is covered by the Great Plains. This plain stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Gulf of Mexico in the south, and from the Appalachian Highlands in the east to the Rockies in the west. The Appalachian Highlands. These highlands are low and wide. They have a very few peaks, more than 1800 meter. They include the high plateaus of Greenland, Labrador in Canada, and the Appalachian Mountains in the United States. The coastal plains of North America. The coastal plains of North America are the youngest in age. Most of the Atlantic plains has been drowned, that is lies in underwater. This is low and relatively plain area with sandy soil which is infertile in nature. So this coastal plain area is infertile, cannot fertile anything. Naturally, it is infertile. Drainage of North America. The Mackenzie River is the second largest drainage basin of North America. It has its source from Great Slave Lake and drains into Arctic Ocean.